go to sit down on the toilet, you're playing up. Here with another Lifer how-to moment. Let's eat. And then you go to look. A little cool for me. I am from the valley. At least it's cool in the morning, but not as cool as it is here. So I have on my thing, which is the camping that I generally do. RV, then you don't have that luxury. And you'll see some pictures of me in my hammock. One person female. There's 3 of those stalls. Clean it every few hours. River. So in Arizona, my visor, I got my Hey guys, it's Christina here from Life According to Kay, and I am at to help all of you lovely lifers the function that you replace. Just to give myself some time in between, but if you start and pay attention to the instructions.